Okay, these footings ended up being a little bit bigger than I anticipated, but they will certainly hold the weight. It looks like my gravel guy got the drain a little high here. That needs to be totally under the gravel, or it'll create a weak spot in the concrete. So we'll have to get that dug down a little better. But it's looking good. That is our utility sink drain. This bathroom we added under the stair. That box is for the tub drain to keep concrete from going around the tub drain, the trap. And that's a toilet drain, and that's the vent, and the sink will drain into that. The vent will go up. The ceiling's so high we can come across the ceiling and tie into it at another place. That's a floor drain right there. This is kind of weird looking because they overdug this footing. Built a skyscraper on this thing. But that's the way we like them, so can't complain. That is a drain for plumbing coming down from upstairs. It's a bath and a half or so up there. So. Waiting on the truck. This steel at these corners help to keep the concrete from cracking off at an angle. And we also have rebar coming out to bridge this for the wall, for the slab sitting on this wall right here. And this is gravel. Kind of cold, I can't explain much. pouring concrete on my gravel. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm not making bad. I look like I done failed that project. Yeah, she's clean. Almost clean.
Almost.
You put your hand in here too?
Okay, can we do it at the same time?
Yeah.
We'll go out past the wall a little bit. There you go.
Right there?
Ready? There we go. Sweet! That's funny. Now what are we going to do?